Hey Zombabes! Guess what? I have an Ipsy bag for you guys. I still have to unbox. So, we're gonna do that right now. Wanna help Papas? Wanna help me? He's giving me that death look like, bitch, get away. Alrighty. Ooh, face masks. This is for the month of August. This is the bag. Very simple for the summer. I like this part, but probably gonna get rid of this. We have here Answer Form Black Volume Gold Radiance Cream with blackberry extracts, intense hydration, refreshing soft moisturizer. The next item is from Hikari, which I've gotten before. This is a cream pigment. I have tried Hikari products before, and I have liked them, but I don't think I've ever purchased them myself. And I've been getting them through Ipsy. This is pretty. Oh my god. Ooh, it's soft. Ooh. It's a cute color. I'm gonna put that all over my lip. I want to say Leche Gold, but this is from Seraphine Botanicals. Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush. What? I'm so excited. Ooh, I don't like that the lip was a little loose, but look at that. Clean finger. Ooh. It's very soft, very soft. That's cute. That's very light. I'm gonna have to use that. Probably it's a lot lighter than the one I have right now. The Professional Pearl Primer, which I have been having issues with my pores lately, so I'm glad I got that. The last two things on here are face masks. This one's Kale Juice a Day. This one's Blackberry Juice a Day. Both keep the troubles away. So that's it for the August Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm gonna get going. I know this was quick, but yeah, life's hectic. I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.